Genital yeast infection, popularly called candidiasis, are mostly commonly associated with the female gender. Are you aware that it can affect men too? According to statistics, out of 4 individuals, 3 individuals can experience itching down there. Yes, itching down there. It isn't that we are dirty or we probably have poor genital hygiene. In today's video, I will be sharing my insights on candidiasis, both males and female, or itching down there. I'll be talking about causes, signs and symptoms, treatment options, and some healthy tips we can take to stay ahead of this condition. If you're new to this channel, I am Charity, a nurse educator, and I talk about everything concerning human health. If you like more content videos like this, please click on the subscribe button and like the video. And don't forget to press the notification bell too. If you're also a returning subscriber, I thank you for always watching my videos. I want to say thank you. God bless you. Yeast infection, popularly called candidiasis, often refers to the overgrowth of the fungal Candida albicans on the skin. What are some of the potential causes of genital yeast infection? The primary cause of genital yeast infection is when there's an imbalance on the natural flora of the skin. These are microorganisms that lives naturally on our skin. So when there's an imbalance on this, there's going to have what we call yeast infection growing excessively on either the penis or inside the vagina. So what are some of the contributing factors to genital yeast infection? We can have poor hygiene when you are not able to keep the genital area clean, free from infections. You are going to have what we call genital yeast infection, that is candidiasis for both males and female. We also have prolonged dampness in the genital area, that is excessive sweating. Can also cause genital yeast infection. Overuse of antibiotics like amoxicillin, Cipro, and the rest. We mostly take this when we have either ear infection. Sometimes people take it when they have malaria and the lot. So overuse of this can cause genital yeast infection. When you have weak immune system associated with condition like when you have diabetes, your immune system is weak. When you have what we call HIV/AIDS, when you receive any chemotherapy from any cancer treatment, is going to have weak immune system. And then pregnancy, during pregnancy a lot of hormones are produced, especially estrogen. So that's why pregnant women stand the risk of candidiasis, that is that white fluid discharge from their vagina that mostly cause itching. We can also we have high sugar diet. Those of us who enjoy eating a lot of sugar, for example, taking a lot of beverages that have high sugar. We can also have sexual activity, unprotected sex can also risk your chance of getting candidiasis. So what are some of the warning signs for candidiasis for both males and female? So ladies first, we are going to consider some of the signs and symptoms. In other words, the warning signs of candidiasis, also called vaginal thrust or vaginal yeast infection in the female gender, or genital yeast infection for male, or penile itching in the male gender. So with females, we have what we call intensive vagina itching. Because there's intensive itching of the vagina, there's often what we call it will cause scratches, or we have soreness, redness. We can have inflammation in the lips of the vagina, that we call that the vulva. So when there is those soreness, the redness in that area, when you are urinating, when the pee gets to that lips of the vagina, the vulva, is going to have what we call pain. So that's why we have pain during urination. So the medical term for that is dysuria. And because there's pain already, I said that, and then scratches, and then all that in that, when during sex, when the penis is being penetrated there's going to be what we call pain. So we have what we call pain during sex. So we call that superficial periuria in the medical term for that. And then there's going to have what we call burning sensation because of a lot of soreness and that has been caused. And also there's going to be what we call a whitish discharge of fluid coming out from the vagina, which looks like most often called cottage cheese, but we don't have that in Africa. So let's consider something like milk, the color of the milk, or color of yogurt. Please, I'm not trying to maybe spoil somebody appetite when you're taking this, but that is how it looks like, the discharge looks like. So in males too, we have what we call pain and redness on the glands of the penis, that is the tip of the penis. It also comes with burning sensation when you are urinating as a man, and again there's also going to be pain during sex when you have a candidiasis for both males and female. So candidiasis is not something you should worry about. There's a lot of treatment option available. So there is what we call antifungal oral medication, for example, fluconazole, that is available as over-the-counter drugs. So when you have mild symptoms, you can go see your pharmacist so that they can prescribe that for you. There's also what we call antifungal creams available for the female gender. We have what you call suppositories or vagina pastries that you have to insert in your vagina that can help you to treat this. So let's consider some of the healthy tips that can help us to stay ahead from genital candidiasis. So for both males and female, please make sure that you have proper hygiene over there. So with the female gender, please stop using scented soaps and then feminine washes. Stop douching, putting your hands inside to clean it, and then putting garlics and other things to make the vagina kind of smell good. A healthy vagina is 100% better than a vagina that smells good. And then men, to please change, wash your penis very often, regularly, every morning. Avoid soap too. Some men can also hold their penis, wash it like they're washing clothes. No, it's not done that way. And make sure that you wash the sensitive area. Make sure that you hold the tip of the penis, wash it gentle. And those men who are uncircumcised, make sure that you hold it and then you pull it back. The skin folds of the penis, then wash the area very well so that you can prevent infections having inside the penis. Again, make sure that you dry the place properly after bathing. Make sure that you use a proper towel to wash the place, dry it, especially ladies. When the place is very moisturized, a lot of organisms are going to hover there, and then it's going to cause infections over there. And then again, make sure that you strengthen your immune system by eating well. So do a lot of veggies, a lot of protein, and then stop taking high sugar diets. And then again, avoid alcohol that is going to weaken your immune system. Again, go for regular checkups so that you can make sure that you can have early detection of any condition. For example, when you have diabetes, you have what we call HIV/AIDS, to help strengthen your immune system. Also make sure that you don't abuse antibiotics. So anytime you have cold, don't use antibiotics, or ear infection, stop abusing antibiotics. And pregnant women should make sure that they take proper care of the place to prevent them from a candidiasis. Again, make sure that you practice safe sex, both males and female. Use condoms, and having one partner that would prevent you from getting candidiasis or vaginal yeast infection or penile itching in the males. In conclusion, when do you see your doctor? I suggest that when you have mild symptoms, you can talk to your pharmacist so that the pharmacy can recommend the over-counter drugs for you to treat it. However, when you have moderate to severe symptoms, or you are pregnant, or you have recurrent infection, I suggest that you go to the hospital to talk to your healthcare provider so that they can also carry out more investigation, so they can rule out any underlying cause of this. You don't hesitate to do the over-counter medication. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave your comments below in the comment section. Thank you. Stay blessed.